Hello children, welcome to my channel Kids Ocean, an ocean of knowledge. Today in EVS 1 of Standard 4th, let us learn the first chapter. The name of the lesson is The Life Cycle of Animals. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. To begin the lesson, let us know the life cycle of a human being. We all know that a baby borns from a mother's tummy. After some years, the baby grows into a child. Then the stage of teenager or adolescence come. After that, an adulthood and finally old age. These are the various stages of human life. Children, you know that there are so many different kinds of animals, birds and insects in our environment. Some animals like cats, dogs, goats, sheep, cows, buffaloes give birth to their babies and they are similar in looks. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from the mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay any eggs. But some animals like crows, spiders, lizards, ants, fishes, frogs, snakes and butterflies lay eggs. The eggs of some animals are very tiny. We do not often see their eggs. But the eggs of some birds like crow, duck and hen are big enough to be easily seen. Let us see how a chicken is born from an egg. A hen lays eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So, after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. When its growth is complete, the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Now children, hear the term hatch, a new term. Hatch means when a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. Now let us know the meaning of metamorphosis. There are similarities between a goat and its kid and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Thus, in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Now let us see the metamorphosis in a butterfly. That is the life cycle of a butterfly. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, pupa and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. The butterfly lays an egg on the leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerged from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is also very rapid. In the first 2 or 3 days, that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar shades the old skin. That is, it molds. Mold means to shed old skin to make way for new skin. And then again it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days, it molds a second time. In this way, it molds 4 times. Do you know children? It molds 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Just before the last mold, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. When it molts this time, it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is also called a chrysalis. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11th and 12th days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes takes place in its body. The growth of the butterfly inside the chrysalis completes. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It now has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. Now children, one important point you should always remember that for each type of butterfly, the type of plants on whose leaves its female will lay eggs is fixed. Thank you.